hope you were able. Please check the mailbox to discover your table. So we had our bride and groom type up little love notes for your guests so that they can know what table they're at. This is an aisle.
Yes. Okay,
this is going here.
Yeah.
I need definitely clearance.
Yeah.
If this needs to go outside, can we put it outside? All right, just watch these. The linens are longer on one end than the other. This is somebody's. Is this your team's? Can we put this outside? Can we put this outside? Yeah. No, take it out.
Guys, I'm sending Daniel to you to help with menus. We're wrapped with additional items in pavilion.
Okay, you guys can start seeing we're clearing boxes right now. We're clearing away things so that we can start getting ready for guest arrival.
Abby Tropics is asking for power drop. Can you make sure Frost already handled the power drop for the band? Will do, one moment.
Guys, these are our rental line for LLG events. We have started our own rental collection exclusive to LLG clients. And we're debuting, obviously, in Florida. And this is ours. And Emily chose this design without even knowing it was LLG until we told her. So that's how LLG she is. Brian, where the bread and butter could go up there. Where's the bread and butter plates? So it's a full candle design today, all candlelight. And the guests will be dining here only. So this is just dinner, and then we're gonna go back into the pavilion for dancing. The father of the bride was joking with us, our FOB, Dave, who we all know and love on TikTok now. He was like challenging us and say, what would you do if I said no flowers at the wedding, no budget for flowers? And I said, okay. And we were half joking about it. Like we were at the site visit, we were all laughing and we're like, oh, imagine the design without flowers. And then we went back to the team and we said, yeah, why don't we design something without flowers? And so that's what we did. All of the tables have this really cool candle component to it. And then we added a candle canyon in the center of the two tables. We had a very cool restaurant dinner vibe with the black velvet tablecloths and the candlelight. Cake, you're in the other room, pavilion, thank you. Abby, I'm sending the cake to you. This is starting to look really pretty.
Copy that, thank you.
I sent him here, waterfall, but they were putting it on top of the charger. It's underneath the charger. Here's more menus. I want to show you guys. Look how cool this is.
Does anyone have eyes on the bride and the groom? No, unfortunately, I'm in the West Lake room. Brian? Where's Brian?
Go ahead, Lauren.
Are we doing a waterfall?
Yes, they're doing waterfall napkins.
Like, how classy is this? I am obsessed. This is such a vibe. Guys, you've gone down and wiped this, right? I care a lot about these things. We happy?
Yes. Oh my God, it's amazing.
It's so good. Just wait till we get all the candles in there. And that other room, it is stunning. Just wait till you see the canyon. It hasn't even come together yet. I think she's gonna love it.
Hi, Lauren. We have guests walking in saying that they were told to come back and not stay at the front of the house. Where should guests be located right now?
Guests cannot come back here. It's a full active production right now, so we can't have guests back here. They can stay in the front of house, and I will bring catering to you.
Copy that.
Guests are starting to get to the front. I don't want any guests back here, so if I could just get your... Yes, I am. Hospitality, something, water, outside in the front.
Oh, so you're going to bring it down?
Yes, unfortunately. Can you confirm guests are in the front? Heather, who's there? Who's in the front?
I'm in the front.
How many guests do we have?
45.
45, okay. Yeah, we're definitely not ready for guests back here. Don't send anyone back here. How's our team doing?
Not in order.
Shocking. Tell me something I wouldn't know. Shocking. Guys, pause. Make sure this is done correctly. They're not understanding you. Are you ripping all of this out?
I'm feeling it, ma'am. I understand.
But why is he doing parts of it
That's
and
not
then...
my job. I have no idea, ma'am. I swear to God, I literally stopped and they told me not to, and then they told me to do it.
It's okay.
I'm not trying to.
You're not. You're good. I just want to make sure the two of you guys are on the same page. I know. I see that.
I don't want to get in trouble.
I know. Run away. Guys, no indents. We'll have to just do it again afterwards. So we're starting to build the canyon, but it is 5:30 and we're still setting up tables. I need to be done here and now because all these boxes should be out of here by 5:30 and it's 5:30 and we're still setting tables. So I don't know.
Bring them in for a first look of the room and make sure the photographer's with them.
Did you see your reception already? Okay, I didn't want you to. Stunning. I want you to be surprised.
We have flowers.
You have flowers. The candles look so good.
It's gorgeous.
Isn't it such a vibe in here? Did you look at anything?
No, I haven't gotten anywhere near here.
Can you please look at this?
Oh my god.
I love it. And we had everybody in the ceremony location at the pavilion. And this wasn't a traditional ceremony. Since they were already married, we had all of the guests at cocktail hour, kind of just hanging around, grabbing drinks and food. And then all of a sudden the bride and groom just started walking in and then the ceremony appeared. We are literally on time. That room is set. The other room is almost done, but I think we're just zhuzhing up a little bit, but it's pretty much there. And now we are about to start ceremony. All right, he's up there. Okay. Let's start. Heather, when I do, you can start. We went with something very dramatic, an all black tablescape with touches of gold and only candlelight. I know, I told you they would. Come here. They still made it happen. Thank you. After all of the guests enjoyed ceremony, they went outside to the pavilion terrace for cocktail hour. My favorite part to this design was all of the customization throughout. I showed you their XOXO E&J, like that was their brand for the evening. So that brand was on their Chinese takeout boxes for cocktail hour. That branding was on their love notes for their escort cards. It was on their menus. So you'll see little subtleties of the XOXO all over the place. We did that on purpose. We didn't want a traditional monogram and logo. A lot of people do that. And we were like, how do we make this different for a couple that is the antithesis of a wedding, right? We're ready. And then eventually they moved into the dinner.
I have almost all guests walking into the Weston Lake rooms now.
Guys, I have not been able to film today. It's 1,000 degrees in Palm Beach, but regardless, I am loving life right now for Emily and Jordan's incredible wedding reception. We are almost done. Ah, look at that candle canyon. Tell me you don't love it. While they are at dinner, we flipped the pavilion and the pavilion turned into the after hours and the dancing portion of the evening. and it was amazing. Oh, I am just so ready for the next event. Today is going to be an intimate rehearsal dinner.
This is insane.
But I know this room. This is not the room I know.
The next day is going to be a welcome party at the Colony. That event has all of these gorgeous yellow flowers, yellow orchids. It's gonna feel a little bit like Havana Nights. Who's in that truck? Dude, he hit! This is the biggest production that they've ever had, that they've ever allowed.